In this video, we're going to look at how to position yourself in order to be able to get across to the other side of the bed without working on the opposite side. So in this, we're going to take these right leg, my right leg, and I'm going to place it above his shoulder here, right near the head. My other leg is below his arm, so more around the lower end of the scapula. And I'm more upright, I'm right up against the couch so that I've got a comfortable distance and not overreaching, I'm not underreaching. And I can then start to apply some techniques across on his shoulder from here. And this position affords you to be able to get at multiple areas within the shoulder quite deeply and quite effectively. See you in the next video.